are so glad you're with us again today. Dean is over here just chit-chatting, and I'm just starting filming, interrupting the whole going on. But listen, I have to tell you what is happening. We are at our campground, Smithville Lake, at Campground at Smithville Lake near Kansas City, and I got so blessed and so lucky that, you know what, you're so cute, you're so short, that we just met Melissa and her husband David, and they just came into the campground, and they're like, hey, we watch your channel. And I was like, hey, that's so cool, you have a quilt, can I see it, and we just totally invaded their camper, and we get to see all of her cute, insanely amazing, adorable quilts. Yes, I just knocked on her door. Actually, she did say it was okay. She invited. So we're going to see her quilts and hear her stories before it gets dark outside. So let's see what she's got. Hi, I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are GrassRoots Living.
About to see the world in action.
Right, this is one of the first camping quilts I made. Look at this cute, adorable camping fabric.
Look at this. Wait, yeah, let's turn on. First of all, this is the cute little camper. It's one of those that's like a hard side.
It's a hybrid,
and then a hybrid that it has it pushes out. So cute. So look at what they have. Look at what she has on her bed here. Look at this fabric. That is so cute. And
it has little pillowcases to match. It has little sleeping bags. And the constellations.
Oh my Lanta, I can't wait till I can sew this well, which I don't mind not
and if
ever
you'll notice
ever,
the quilting, it's a camper.
It's a camper?
Yes.
What?
And maybe you can see it better from the back.
Okay.
Maybe. Yeah, see?
Oh, I see it, yes. Wonder if it'll come through on here.
No.
How did you find that? How did you do that?
With the long arm machine, you can buy, this one was a pantograph because I didn't have the computerized component yet.
So
but now
you have a long arm.
I have a long arm, and now I have a computerized machine, so now I still get camping designs.
Okay, you guys, but look, this is one. Let's look how many she has.
And then this one is one of my favorites.
These are grills.
Yes, they're little barbecue grills.
Little barbecue grills.
And that same fabric is in this one.
Oh, I want all of them.
This one actually hung in my classroom for a while because my students loved it when I took quilts.
This one would look so pretty in Jenny's camper, her glamper.
Yes, but she can't have it.
Yeah, she can't have it. Jenny, we love you, but
you can't have it. Yes, and so the grill fabric is the fabric I used.
Oh, right.
But all of this fabric came from Missouri Star Quilt.
Oh, did it?
But it's been a while. They no longer have this line.
This line. Did you go to Missouri Star on this trip? Are you coming from there? You don't live too far from here.
No, I live in the north part of Kansas City towards the airport.
Okay.
And so I go there. Actually, I'm going Wednesday.
So you're lucky. You get to go anytime you want.
I go anytime I want.
Yeah.
And so there's that one. And then I do a lot of t-shirt quilts. And this one is made of t-shirts from different places that we've traveled. And we do like to go to the Caribbean a lot. So these are all this one's from Aruba. This is from Key Largo. This one's from Maui, Bahamas.
So at this point, do you buy t-shirts to wear, or do you buy t-shirts for t-shirt quilts?
Well, I buy them and I officially wear them like one time so I can say I've purchased a t-shirt to wear, and then I'll cut it up. Like this one, because I'm half Japanese, we went to Pearl Harbor last July, and I got this one because it has the tie with the Japanese in it. And the story I was telling you about snorkeling with the manta rays, this is from that.
Oh, yeah, she did that.
And so
that sounds terrifying, but you said it was fabulous.
It was fabulous.
But it was terrifying at first.
It was very terrifying because it's pitch black and the water is black because you can't see anything. It's at night. But so yeah, all of these t-shirts. This one is actually from Japan. Shenandoah National Park. This one's Maui.
And which
Key Largo.
Which one?
This one's from Japan. When I went to Japan.
Wow.
and Aruba. Here's dry tortugas.
Okay.
We were just talking about the dry tortugas.
We haven't made it out there yet.
And Grand Cayman is one of our favorite islands.
Wow.
And Maui, where we got married.
So
Aruba.
romantic.
Yeah, Tortuga. This is from Grand Cayman. So
I
that's
love
the other
it.
one. And then I have this little lap quilt that has campers
Yes. Ah.
and the little
look
bugs.
it. There's bugs. Oh. See, you can't stop making quilts. I feel like once you start making them, you can't, because there's so much fabric
Yes.
to be quilted.
I have a lot of fabric,
Yeah.
a lot, and I enjoy doing it.
Well, you know, there's so many things, and I know you know because you watch our channel, that there's so many reasons why we're ready to get off the road, but we're loving this quilting thing, and we just don't have the elbow room to do what we want to do. Well,
So this is
these
just a
are
real-
so fun.
Something
fun,
I
so
enjoy
pretty.
immensely. I do donate a lot of quilts to like Rosebrooks Women's Shelter.
Okay.
I've donated to them, and I just sent a quilt to Ukraine.
Oh, nice.
Yes, it was a sunflower quilt that I sent.
Oh, look, even.
Oh yeah, the pillow. I love making the
that's adorable.
pillowcases. And when my grandkids were little, I made them a pillowcase every month. One year, so they got a January themed one, then they got a February themed, and they loved it. And not too long ago, the 18, oh, she just turned 19, she said to me, she goes, Nanny, will you make me some more pillowcases? And I said, don't you have enough? She says, yeah, but I'd like some new ones. So
Aw.
even at
I love
that
it.
age, she still
Yeah.
likes her pillowcases.
And you were showing me this. How pretty is this runner?
This is wearing out. It says RV there yet.
Oh, cute.
I can't remember what the other side says. It's wearing.
This is how we roll.
Yeah.
So cute. See, I have sewing to do. And we've done traveling for so many years, and we'll still do some traveling. But now I've got sewing to do.
And you know
so
what's
I need
really
to
fun
sit
is when you
still.
find somebody that enjoys sewing and you have little days together and you just
Yes.
sit around a table and sew.
And we just met, and you're not far.
And we
so-
could do that.
Yes,
We
I'm
definitely
so
could.
in. I'm so in. Okay. Well, Dean's not here, but we're gonna go here. We're gonna just you and I are gonna. You're gonna have to do his part. We're thinking of you,
We're thinking of you.
and we'll see you next time. Isn't that what he
I
says?
think something like that. Okay.
All right, you guys. Until we hope that you enjoyed this. This was so much fun. If you come out to the campground, I hope that you will flag me down and show me your quilts. I love it. Comment below and tell us which one was your favorite quilt. I have a favorite, except I kind of want them all. So thank you to my new friend here, and until next time, this is GrassRoots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. Until next time, goodbye. Thank you.
Peace out.
Peace out.
That worked.
My own sister.